don't want to sell a course. I don't want to sell a course. I don't want to sell a course. Do you hear yourself? So let me get this straight. You bought something and you figure 5 seconds later you're going to tell people about it and the money that you could make, and then you'll make $10,000 a month?
You serious?
Have you even thought about what colleges actually sell? Let's talk about it. So, before we get too far into this is going to be a deeper dive. So, hit the 2x speed, hold the screen down, because listen, you're going to want to catch every minute of this one. Real business doesn't work like that. Let me school you. Come here. It's not the course. It's you. Just take standard 2-year and 4-year institutions. $926 billion per year is what they're saying that colleges make. $67 billion for 2-year institutions. I mean, the burden of proof is right there. And if you don't believe me still, you can go look it up yourself. People want to think like because they sold one course or tried to sell one course and it didn't work out for them because they suck at marketing. Yeah, I said it. You suck at marketing. But it's okay. I sucked at marketing. Not being good at marketing is all right. When you sell a skill set, you realize that you have to get better. When I first got started and I had no idea how to sell anything, much less something digital, online, I realized and embraced the fact that I suck at marketing, but I didn't stay there. People have to stop thinking like digital marketing is digital courses. No, digital marketing is marketing online. Businesses that you walk into every single day also have online presence that they use marketing tactics to get you in the door. Did you have a pumpkin spice latte yet? Then you got that idea from their marketing. Did you have a Whopper yet? Then you got that idea from their marketing. Did you get a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich yet? Then you got that idea from their marketing. Did you buy something from Jeff Bezos's company, which for some reason TikTok don't like mentioning the A word, right? Do you got boxes? It's from their marketing. Everybody uses marketing. So why would you not want to sell a course? Because if you didn't find value from the course, then find another one. You don't have to get on social media trashing and bashing the course you didn't learn from when, come here, you didn't even get into the program and do what they told you half the time. The thing that people miss is skills, and passing on skills are how people are making income in the digital age. The knowledge industry. And the knowledge industry is worth billions of dollars a day today. It's called the e-learning industry. And by 2030, which is literally less than 5 years from now, it'll be a multi-trillion-dollar industry. But so many people suck at marketing that they're in their hot course season. The hot course season is this business is hot, that business is hot, so let me promote the next hottest thing. But you know the problem with promoting the next hottest thing? It doesn't stay hot all the time. And what do you do then? What are you left with? You still suck at marketing. So if you want to not suck at marketing like I did, put the 100 in the comments and I will teach you how to become better at marketing so you can actually have the skill to promote whatever your heart desires. Because we all suck at marketing in the beginning, but we don't have to stay. Put the 100 in the comments right now, and I'd love to get you started.
Coming this September,